So, ito yung isa dun sa mga famous pictures na nakikita nyo online. And maganda siguro ito makita or ma-witness every sunrise or even sunset. Hi guys, we are here in Kyoto, Japan to explore this historical alleyways called Ninenzaka and Sannenzaka. It is just a few walks away from the exit of Kiyomizu-dera Temple. It has lots of old homes and traditional shops that are very picture perfect. So let's go ahead and check out Ninenzaka and Sannenzaka. Plus, let's sample some delicious street food here in today's video. Nice kimono, guy. I like his kimono. And I like the zucchini. Alright, so we are on the way. Asahizaka. Asahizaka. Where do they buy the oh, here. Look at this. Look at that. Looks good. You want to try it out? Zucchini. That's a zucchini. You want to try? Let's buy. Huh? We'll buy one of each. Well, it's the same thing though, so let's buy 2 pieces. Hindi ko maubos to eh. Tsaka siya hindi niya maubos. So, masarap siya. Tikman mo. Ayoko eh. Gusto ko lang masarap. Tikman mo. What's your review? Sarap, di ba? Ha? Magkano? Magkano? 2,500. Wow! May credit card. Okay. So ito, pakita natin Charlie. So ito, yung binili namin ni Charlie is 250 yen. So since dalawa yung binili namin, that is a total of 500 yen. Masarap siya, masarap. So medyo sweet, lemony, and medyo salty yung lemon cucumber. So yan naman, yuba and cheese naman daw yan. So tofu siya, tapos cheese siya sa outside. Ooh, crunchy. So anong lasa, Charlie? What does it taste?
It doesn't taste like anything.
Sige, try it first. Cheese is outside, that's what's make it crunchy, and then the tofu is inside. Tofu. See kung anong lasa nung yuba and cheese. Kasi haba ng pila. I'm gonna show it to you. And it's all the way at the back. A lot of people trying to get a taste of yuba and cheese. I don't know why. Okay, so ako naman, I'll give this one a shot and see how it tastes like. Ayan yung loob. So it has cheese, tapos sabi ni Mami medyo para siyang lasang fish cake.
Oh, tingnan mo.
So ako, I'll try and see kung anong lasa niya. Una ko naramdaman paso. Napaso ako, ang init. My goodness. Okay, now I know the taste. So this looks like It has cheese. It tastes like fish cake. Tama si Mami. Tapos, meron siyang cheese, lasang fish cake, and it has tofu. Yun yung ano niya. Yun yung consistency niya. Malambot siya eh. Yung consistency niya, para siyang fishball. Or squid ball. Yun. Para sa atin. So, it tastes like squid balls with a taste of fishball and the taste of cheese. It has a crunchy outer shell and it really tastes good. Ito naman yung variant ng octopus. Tignan naman natin kung masarap. So, yung una, anong tawag doon? Yuba and cheese. Ito naman, octopus naman siya. So, let's try.
Ito hindi sinabi, pero sabi lang spicy. Ayun, makita mo sa
Nag-flashback yung kabataan ko. That food reminded me of my childhood. Alam mo kung anong lasa niyan? Yung nagtitinda ng fishball, yung bola-bola. Yung nagtutinda ng fishball, di ba? Tapos meron sila yung kinukutsara nila isa-isa, tapos nilalagay dun sa piniprito. Yan yung lasa nun. Ganon yung lasa niya mo. So, ang sarap. Para sa bola-bola. Crispy in the outside, juicy in the inside.
It's a bit salty also.
Medyo salty. Tapos para siyang fishy taste. Masarap. Alam mo, siguro kung sa Pilipinas yan, sasawsaw natin yan sa suka. Tapos, kakainin natin sa rice yan. Masarap yan. Okay, so, ito yung third naman na binili namin. Ito ay shrimp flavor naman daw. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ka-shrimpy itong mukhang kikiam eh, but we'll see. We'll see how it tastes like. Parang ang kikiam eh. It tastes like squid shrimp crossover between the two flavors, and then same consistency, same softness, almost the same. It's just an entirely different shape, but mas overpowering yung shrimp flavor niya. Kaya nga nila sinabing shrimp. But it's good overall. Pwedeng pang-ulam sa mga matitindiyang pangangailangan tulad ko nung college. Tinitira ko to.
A few moments later.
So, nandito na tayo sa famous Sannenzaka at saka Ninenzaka. Ito winner oh. Saan? Oo, parang ganito. Pero mas maganda to. Hindi na kami lalapit. Not gonna go near the pagoda. Kasi we feel and we think that it's better in this in this distance para makita nyo, di ba? So, ito yung isa dun sa mga famous pictures na nakikita nyo online, and maganda siguro ito makita or ma-witness every sunrise or even sunset, but unfortunately ngayon medyo gloomy kasi yung weather, so we really can't see yung sunset ng araw. So puntahan naman natin yung isang alleyway. Maganda rin yung view doon. Let's go ahead and check it out. So ito na nga yung Ninenzaka. Nagtira picture spot dito sila nakatayo na. Ayan. So doon sila nag-take ng pictures. Ito, famous alleyway because of the traditional houses. If you can see, ang gaganda, no? Ganito lang. Okay na ako eh. Maliit nga lang talaga. You just have to get used to how old Japanese houses are really built. It's made out of wood. And nice. Ito may mga kamote dyan. Para dun sa mga kamote, para sa inyo yan. Yan. You can see every old wooden houses being built. Probably more than 100 years. Or at least 100 years. Oh, really? Wow. So this is ayun, si Charlie. Credits to Charlie, my beautiful daughter.
She's the first one who saw.
So she was the one who spotted this well famous Starbucks coffee. As you can see, this is the logo. So this is Starbucks. Let's go and check it out. I'm not quite sure if they went in, so we'll see what's inside. Excuse me. Did you check in? What's inside? Did you check it out? Let's see. It's open. Let's take a look. So basically, it's all the same. It's like made of wooden houses. Sorry kung madilim ha, kasi ayoko nang lagyan ng ilaw kasi mukhang mukhang nagtawag pansin. But yeah, basically this is it. Ayun sa loob madilim, but parang exit yon, restroom. Pero yan na yung ito na yung mostly of the coffee shop. They do have a second floor over there upstairs, but we won't go up there anymore. For those coffee lovers out there, you can go check this one out. Pagpunta nyo dito sa Ninenzaka. Ang ganda niya. All right. So, how do you find the Starbucks? How do you find the old Starbucks?
There's a sign over there.
Yeah, were you able to spot it? And then you did you tell mommy about it? Okay, we're saying goodbye to Starbucks. Okay guys, so we decided to take a cab going back to Shinkansen Kyoto station because it's drizzling, so medyo kailangan namin na mag-cab na lang, although hindi to recommended, pero if you're running out of time, it's the most convenient way to travel back to the station. So ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video namin today. Napagod yung mga kasama ko, ayan mga lasing. So I hope you guys enjoy again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Huwag nyo kakalimutan to give this video a thumbs up, and then comment down below kung meron kayong mga gustong questions na pwede kong masagot about this video. And also huwag nyo kakalimutan to click the bell icon, tapos mag-subscribe na rin kayo if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe dun sa channel natin. Okay, so marami pa tayong Japan vlogs coming your way in the next few days. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan, and I hope to see you again next time. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Take it easy. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.